Hey guys, this is Rohit Kumar and I am a data scientist at Vijay Robotics. Today I am taking a topic of Python is fundamentals of Python programming. So what is fundamental of Python programming? Let's start. In fundamental of Python programming there is two topics. There is control flow statement and second is function. So today in this video we will talk about control flow statements. So what are the control flow statements? Let's check out. So first of all, let's check the definitions of control flow. What is control flow? In Python programming, control flow is the which statements or block of codes are executed at runtime based on a condition. मतलब मान लीजिए ऐसे कि हमने कोई कोड लिखा और मैं उस कोड में कुछ ऐसी कंडीशन लगाऊं जिससे वो कोड में हम उसको ब्रेक कर सकें और जब कंडीशन मेरी ट्रू हो रही है तभी वो वर्क करे, अगर फॉल्स हो रही है तो वो पास कर दे अगली कंडीशन को. ठीक है, इस तरीके से कंट्रोल फ्लो कुछ वर्क करता है. सो नाउ लेट्स चेक हाउ टू कंट्रोल द फ्लो ऑफ आवर कोड. फर्स्ट इज कंडीशनल स्टेटमेंट, second is transfer statement and third is iterative statement. So we will talk today in this video about conditional statement. In conditional statement there is if else, if else and nested if else. Okay, so here is some example of how to execute if and else. Okay, first I have created an variable and stored a value of 8 in x. Then I have written if and then the condition. Okay, condition, what is my condition? Condition is x is equals to 8. Then colon, and after colon we press enter. It's take 4 space. It's called indentation. It's come inside of the if condition. The print, this print part comes inside of the if condition. Okay, it takes 4 space, and after that I have written print and x. If my condition is true, okay, if my condition is true, then only this if condition will work. If my condition become wrong, then it will pass to next condition like this. As I have written here, same if and a condition I have written over x equals to 8 and print x. If my condition over here it's false, then it pass to else. Okay, then it will pass to else. If my condition is true, it will not pass to else, it will print if condition will. Okay.